Exploring Malmö in Sweden, your ultimate walking tour travel guide. Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to another exciting adventure. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through the picturesque streets of Malmö in Sweden. Let's dive in. Hey there, fellow explorers, we've got something special in store for you. We're about to embark on a walking tour of the captivating city of Malmö. From historic squares to modern marvels, we've got it all. Let's get started. Our journey begins at Malmö Central Station, a true architectural gem. Malmö Central Station is not just a transportation hub, it's a true architectural gem. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by its magnificent design, blending modern functionality with classic elegance. From the ornate facade to the bustling interior, it's the perfect starting point for our adventure. Our journey then takes us to Slottsträdgården, Malmö's vibrant main square. Here you'll be surrounded by charming buildings painted in a palette of pastel colors. It's the heart of the city where locals and visitors gather to enjoy the lively cafe culture. And be sure to capture a snapshot of the magnificent statue of King Carl X Gustav, a symbol of Malmö's rich history. Next up, we'll savor a delightful Swedish fika at Leela T. It's a perfect spot to refuel and embrace the local culture. After taking in the charm of Slottsträdgården, we'll make our way to Leela T. Here you'll experience a quintessential Swedish tradition, the fika. It's not just a coffee break, it's a moment to unwind, enjoy a cup of coffee, and savor a sweet treat while immersing yourself in the local culture. The cozy atmosphere of Leela T is the perfect place to do just that. Now, let's explore the historic streets of Gamla Väster, where you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. As we leave Leela T, we'll step into the enchanting historic district of Gamla Vester. Here you'll be transported back in time as you wander through charming cobblestone streets lined with beautifully preserved buildings. It's like taking a stroll through history itself, and you won't want to miss it. Our journey continues with a visit to St. Peter's Church, a 14th century Gothic marvel. The tower climb offers breathtaking views of the city. And don't miss Malmö Castle, home to the Malmö Art Museum and Malmö Museum. It's a cultural treasure trove. A visit to Malmö wouldn't be complete without a relaxing stroll through Slottsträdgården, the castle gardens. And while you're there, why not enjoy a meal at the charming cafe? It's the perfect place to unwind. To unwind after our historical explorations, we'll take a leisurely stroll through the peaceful Slottsträdgården, the castle gardens. Here you'll escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in a tranquil oasis of greenery. And while you're there, the charming cafe within the gardens is the perfect spot to enjoy a delicious meal. Now it's time for a modern twist in our Malmö adventure. We're heading to the Western Harbour, where you'll find the awe-inspiring turning torso. Designed by Santiago Calatrava, this architectural wonder dominates the skyline. Its unique structure is a symbol of Malmö's innovation and contemporary design. You won't want to miss this iconic landmark. To wrap up our journey, we'll head to Rishborg Beach, a beautiful seaside escape. Here you can relax by the sea, take in the fresh coastal air, and if you're feeling adventurous, even take a dip in the sea. It's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the coastal beauty of Malmö. What a journey it's been! From historical squares to modern marvels, Malmö has it all. We hope this travel guide has inspired you to explore this remarkable city. But before we say goodbye, remember to hit that subscribe button so you can join us on more adventures around the world. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy travels!